Hi everyone, Amanda Saladin here from Love.Life.Yarn, and today we're starting a new series, Yarn Crafts for Kids. Got my oldest son, Christian, right here, and he's going to be doing these video tutorials for our new series. Come visit us at Love.Life.Yarn.com, find more than 100 free patterns, including our new series.
Today I'm going to show you how to use the Clover Pom Pom Maker to make Pom Poms. And you can use them to make fun projects like this. Pom Pom letters. My brothers and I love making these. They are so easy. So let's get started. Supplies you'll need for this project include yarn of any color. We're using Red Heart Soft Essentials for this. A Clover 1 3/8 scale Pom Pom Maker. This is one of the smallest sizes there is. And just some scissors. So we're going to take the Clover Pom Pom Maker. We're going to open up these sides. Now notice that they're individual, so you need to open them up as one. And you're going to take your yarn and you're going to kind of hold it there. Kind of hold it with this finger. And you're going to wrap it so it kind of holds it. Now going to make sure there's a nice thick layer of yarn. Now you're going to wrap it around a whole bunch. Alright, so now you have it thick. It's pretty much over this line with the Pom Pom Maker. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring it around right over here, kind of put it in between there just to hold it, and then you're going to just close this side up, and you're going to open up the other side, and you're going to take this out of that, and then you're going to start wrapping just like what you did before. Alright, so now we have our yarn, which is just over the line of the Pom Pom Maker. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it through here. And what I like to do is I like to just bring it through there. It just kind of holds it in place. So now you're going to shut it. See how it kind of holds it in place? What you're going to do is you're going to take your scissors and cut the yarn. Alright, since you got that tail, you're going to just kind of loosen that up. Notice how it stays in position because it's under this. Now what you're going to do is you are going to cut all the way along this line. Now notice there's a little guide right there. So just cut all the way through. Now whenever you get to right here, I don't want to cut that little piece right there to about the same length as this yarn, because that's connecting these two pieces. Now if you left that unclipped, it would make a loop if you wanted that. Alright, so you're going to start on this side, and then you are going to cut it all the way through just like you did the other side. It can get a little tough. That's alright. Make sure you're holding the Pom Pom Maker whenever you do this. It can get away from you very easily. Just make sure it's pretty good. Alright. So now we have it all put together. Kind of looks like a pom-pom split in half. So what you're going to do, you're gonna put this, just going to set that off to the side for a moment. Get my yarn. Alright. And we're going to take it. And we are going to cut a piece about, that long. Alright, so take this and your yarn. You're going to move this kind of out of the way. And you are going to take it and make sure it's even on both sides. It doesn't really matter, but I like to do that. So you're just going to tie it, just regular tie. And we are going to do that twice for the small one. And it's going to slide, and it should slide through that little ridge right there. Now pull it tight. And if it's a small one, you're going to do it you're going to knot it 2 times. But if it's the larger ones, you need to do it like 3 or 4 times. Okay. If that happens, just kind of undo it and then tighten it back up. Now you notice that we have our pom-pom almost ready. So what we're going to do, make sure there's nothing else that we need to finish. Maybe need to finish tightening this up just to be sure. Now once you're confident with your knot, you are going to take these out one by one. Take that out. And then this. Take them out on both sides. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take it apart. These 2 pieces, the pink pieces, and you're going to trim these pieces off and try to make them about the same length as your pom-pom. I just kind of trim it up. And then you're going to want to fluff it up. And there you have it. There is the pom-pom. So that's all there is on making a pom-pom with the Clover Pom Pom Maker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.